I'm gonna first cut all my material and set it right there, and we'll get going. Alright, so first I'm going to lay out my pieces here. This is exactly how I got this metal from the junkyard. It's still covered in rust and some of the metal has some paint on it. So after I get these pieces laid out, I'm going to take the angle grinder with a wire wheel, get all the surfaces cleaned up, and then I'm going to take a grinder and clean up around the edges where I'm going to do all my welding. Here you can see me do layout. I'm going to get this squared up, get it completely lined out the way I want it, and throw down some tacks to hold it all in place before I start to do the final welding. Hey, if you guys are liking my videos, please, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. And if you did like it, give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time.